So now we try to find out a direct formula for the area of an isosceles triangle, which you may require while solving the questions. So we start by dropping the altitude or perpendicular on the base BC of the isosceles triangle ABC, where sides AB and AC are equal. BC is the base. As you have discussed previously, BD is bisected by this altitude. Okay, AD is also the median as well as the altitude. So now we'll assume the length of the side AB as equal to A, which is also same as the length of AC. And we assume the length BC as small b. If the length of BC is B, I can say that BD is B by 2 and DC is B by 2. Why? The point D will bisect the line BC, isn't it? Now let's talk about the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, by the Pythagoras theorem, I can say that AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square, or AD square plus BD square will be nothing but B square upon 4 is equal to AB square, which is A square. Or you can say that AD square is equal to A square minus B square by 4. Okay, we'll take square roots on both sides and we will get AD is equal to square root of A square minus B square by 4. Now the next step is to apply the formula for area of triangle. The area of any triangle A is given as half into the base into the height. In this case, the base is equal to small b and height is AD, which we have found. So the area will simply be equal to half into base b into the height AD is a root of A square minus B square by 4. This you can remember as a ready-made formula now. The area of any isosceles triangle is half into B into root of A square minus B square by 4, where A is the length of the equal sides and B is the length of the base or the unequal side.